Hello to everyone. So today we have one opportunity from the Noida Associate Software Engineer Java. Okay. So we can see here that it is a full-time job on Java. Company description is mentioned here and about the job. Brightly Siemens continues to do its amazing things. So along job will sir now you guys will work along with top-notch engineers and product team to design, deliver and support our highly ambitious products. Where bachelor's in computer science ఉండాలి 0 to 2 years experience qualifications skills వచ్చేసి data structures to database and SQL strong communication skills are required so technologies mentioned చేశారు and spans experience with AWS experience ఉంటే that is an additional bonus. So anyhow just let us try and we'll see what happens. So this my section. Interested students can link is given in the description.